It's all about Crop Over 2023, another day in Barbados, and today we're going on the water because it's all about Booze Cruise.
This is the best everybody, best everybody, best everybody,
every year, twice a year, Christmas and Crop Over.
I love the environment, I love the energy, but also my father is from Barbados, so I always come back.
So I'm really enjoying it.
Will you guys be on the road for Kadumen Day?
Absolutely, yes.
Booze Cruise off the chain.
Soca music, alcohol, awesome.
Always the best, always the best. This is a must do. First time, loving it, loving it.
I mean, what drew you to Crop Over this year?
My family was coming over, so I said, yo, let me come and have a good time. First time here, so, you know.
I saw Hot, but loving it.
It's a good festival, nice girls, the drinks, I get vibes.
I mean, as a Bayesian, why should people come to Crop Over? We're from Jamaica, first time enjoying Crop Over. Why should people come?
Vibes on top of vibes on top of vibes. So many events. I mean, today there are probably like about 6 or 7 different events for you to go to. There's something for everybody, all-inclusive fans.
We're having a good time.
How has Crop Over been for you?
It's been great, amazing time. I came all the way from Florida.
Epic.
How is the cruise going for you?
Good, pretty good. Yeah.
Is it your first time enjoying Crop Over?
First time in Barbados, first time in Crop Over, first time on a boat.
Alright, gentlemen, another party, Booze Cruise. How's it going?
It's going good so far.
Yeah, how about you?
Great, that's the sun I'm mad with, but I enjoy ourselves.
I think it's great so far. The important thing that we wanted to ensure was that the winners were having a great time. And I think the Booze Cruise has added a different element to the experience.
So we're here on the Booze Cruise, of course. It's only fitting to speak with the promoters. Hi, Fox. Hi, Russell. How are you doing?
We're fantastic. Very good.
I mean, this is my first Crop Over. What do you think makes Crop Over so special and so different from the other, Caribbean carnivals?
Well, if there's something that's synonymous with Crop Over, it's being on a cruise on Sunday. If you're not doing this, you're kind of doing it a little bit wrong.
Why do you think people keep coming back to Booze Cruise? Because it's been going on for quite some time.
Great energy, just good energy. Good vibes and from beginning to end. Except, I apologize for our behavior in advance.
Yeah, it's, in about an hour, you can see why people come back to Booze Cruise.